Danke bafethu. Lana sibona uNabi ne-former captain ye-Kaizer Chiefs u-Yusuf Maarte bafethu bayi-embrace-ana and then ba-communicate-a kahle, bakhuluma kahle. Hey, yazi u-Yusuf Maarte, hey, ukhathele, uphumule loya muntu lo ukuthukwa. Hhayi, ngoba bekune-love and hate relationships between yena nama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs bokunzima kakhulu at some point. But I mean, uyibekile induku ebandla. I-legacy lakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs li-strong ngempela because uzokhunjulwa njengomuntu owakora igoli lokugcina bashaya i-Orlando Pirates bawina i-Nedbank Cup, which was not easy to win. Obviously against Orlando Pirates beyi-on form, Orlando Pirates engakazi lose i-cup final under coach Jose Rivero. So i-Kaizer Chiefs, they were supposed to go all out laphana. And considering the fact that i-Kaizer Chiefs yakora, oh no, i-Kaizer Chiefs yakora kuqala ngepenalty, uGustin Sirino wa-equalize uMakgopa. Then last minute bafaka uMduduzi Shabalala. I think bamfaka approaching 80 minutes nje i-complex of the game yatshintsha. Kaizer Chiefs yakwazi uku-attack. So uNabi uzokhunjulwa ngama-moments lawo ukuthi wakwazi ukudeliver ama-results for i-Kaizer Chiefs. The most important thing was for him ukuthi akwazi ukudeliver ama-results. But at the same time okwazi ukudeliver man i-cup. But yeah, as much as eliki nangenzanga kahle, but-ke i-CV yakhe i-clean ukuthi walasta only a few months ku-Kaizer Chiefs, just more over a year. But-ke ukwazile ukubawinisa i-cup which is i-FA Cup yase-South African Nedbank Cup. So simfisela inhlanhla la yakhona uCoach Nabi. Kaizer Chiefs bekunzima kakhulu. I don't think uke wayifeel i-pressure nje bafethu. Ayikho i-pressure enje. Yabona i-pressure, akhona ama-teams ane-pressure but you i-Kaizer Chiefs. Hayi. And in fact, like ama-big three wase-South Africa, it's not easy. It's very, very difficult. But-ke for i-Orlando Pirates bebase bathi ucoach akahambe. Nakumamelodi Sundowns manje bathi ucoach akahambe. But njengoba ngisho ukuthi if khona i-pressure enkulu, i-pressure ye-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. And considering the fact that kunzima kubo ukuthi lese bathola ama-results, kunzima ukuthi badlale kahle. So umuntu ofikayo ba-expecte ukuthi enze umlingo. Noma kuthiwa i-team i-unstable, previous season azange benze kahle, but uma ufika wena kumele ube uyi-savior, kumele ukwazi ukudeliver immediately. Akuna-complain, akunakuthi i-squad sakho awusitholanga, ama-player wakho awuwatholanga, kuthiwa sebenzisa lama-player lawa akhona. So you're gonna be given the resources. I think enye into, hey, I don't know if I can call it arrogance, but I remember ubani uSisi Jessica ethi uNabi bamnike wonke ama-resources ukuthi akwazi ukuphumelela, ukuthi akwazi ukusebenza kahle ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Manje ngikhuluma ngama-results or ngalabantu ababasayinile, but still at the same time ama-whispers bewasho ukuthi still lama-player lawa akusiyo ama-player ka-Coach Nabi. uCoach Nabi befuna ama-player wase-Tanzania, yena akatholanga nelilodwa. Ufune ama-player-ke wawa-coach-a before azwana nawo ukuthi azokwazi ukufitha to i-system yakhe. And sikhumbule ukuthi lama-player lawa wawathatha wawafikisa kuphi? Ku-CAF Confederations Cup final la washawa khona. So uza ku-Kaizer Chiefs ne-experience ne-pedigree yaku-African football or ngithi ku-continental level, but unfortunately-ke we also what happened ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean the pressure was too much. Njengoba I think i-record lakaNabi li-tainted ku-Kaizer Chiefs because ama-player bawangakwazi uku-convert ama-opportunities. Yes, naye beseka-confuse as i-coach angasazi ukuthi adlale kanjani, but hhayi ama-players amkhostile bafowethu. Yabona uma sikhumbula isikhathi saka-Coach Nabi ku-Kaizer Chiefs, kumele sikhumbule ngama-player, uShiva Vero, uyokhunjulwa ngoShiva Vero, uyokhunjulwa in fact wonke ama-player amaningi bewageje, bewangakwazi ukukora. Obviously amanye-ke they were highlighted more than amanye ama-player, but-ke nje ama-player amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, they failed to convert their opportunities or the opportunities that they would get. Coach Nabi wabonisa i-trust enkulu kumfowethu lo uYusuf Maarte bafowethu. Baningi abantu bebathi uYusuf Maarte ayikho indaba yakhe, wayamenza i-captain, wayamdlalisa, umntanakhe, uprefera yena, kwasha kwacima, ziningi izinto bezikhulunywa. But njengoba ngisho ukuthi ekugcineni wenza izinto zenzeka bafowethu ukuthi akhunjule for a lifetime. I don't think ama-fans we-Kaizer Chiefs awitnesse le moment le ngeke amkhohlwe. There's no way amkhohlwa uYusuf Maarte ukuthi yes kwaba yi-captain, but guess what, i-captain iyakwazi ukudeliver something tangible, something strong, i-cup bafowethu, cabanga. So asizibambeni lana eze-Kaizer Chiefs. Coach Nabi, Yusuf Maarte, sinifisela inhlanhla. uYusuf Maarte udlala e-Austria. Coach Nabi currently-ke uyi-free agent because asikakezwa lutho ukuthi usayine ne-team or bamsayinile or kwenzakalani. Usase-free agent nje, angajoyina any team of his choice. Danko.